Fáilte chuig Rang Gaeilge, your go-to Irish grammar website.
Today we're taking a look at Inscne na n-Ainmfhocal, the gender of nouns in the Irish language. This is a pretty important grammar topic that feeds a lot into other topics. So if you can get a good understanding of how to identify the gender of nouns, it'll really help you in future topics. So first of all, there are only two genders in the Irish language: Pharyngenic, masculine, or n-Ainmfhocal, feminine. There are some general rules that help us sort nouns into Pharyngenic and n-Ainmfhocal. 95% of the time, following these rules will help you out, but it's Irish, so there are exceptions. Let's first take a look at Pharyngenic. Within Pharyngenic, we have the nouns that are professions, Garmacha, such as Garda. We have nouns of one syllable that end with ACHT or EACHT, such as ceacht, lesson. We have nouns that end with a vowel, such as ishka, water. We have nouns that end with I father N, A father N, and AS, such as Colleen, girl. We have the majority of nouns that end with EOIOR, O father IOR, U father IOR, E father IOR, I father, and ACH, such as Muntor, teacher. And finally, we have nouns that end with a consonant lahan. This refers to nouns whose last vowel is either an A, an O, or a U, such as aron, bread. When the word on is put before a Pharyngenic noun, there is a certain set of rules that we must follow. When on comes before a consonant, there is no change. For example, on cupón, the cup. When on comes before a gutta, we put a T hyphen before the gutta. For example, on tauron, the song. When on comes before an S, there is no change. On sagart, the priest.
Now over to n-Ainmfhocal, feminine nouns. Within feminine nouns, we have nouns that end with EOG or O-father-G, such as fuinneog, window. Also, nouns with two syllables that end with EACHT, ACHT, or AI-father-OCHT, such as filiocht, poetry. We also have nouns with one syllable that end with a consonant quail. This refers to nouns whose last vowel is either I or E, such as skull, school. Also in feminine nouns are the countries of the world, with the exceptions of Canada and England. So like Japan. Also included are rivers, such as An Liffey, the Liffey, and finally, languages of the world, with the exception of English, such as Germanic, German. When the word on is put before a n-Ainmfhocal noun, they pretty much follow the opposite set of rules than Pharyngenic nouns. When on comes before a consonant, the noun takes a shevu, like an water, the mother. When on comes before a gutta, there is no change, like an onseach, the fool. And when on comes before an S, we put a T before the noun, like an seachtain, the week.